Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be resolving the terrible exhaust sound that the TT RS has from the factory. So we're going to be upgrading the exhaust system on this AS TT RS with a Milltek exhaust system. It's a GPF package system, so still keeps the factory cats and the GPF intact, so it's a totally road legal system. It's going to sound a lot better, and also the rear end is going to look a lot better as well, because we're going to be installing the Milltek Cerakote black exhaust tips. So let's get this car in the workshop, let's get the exhaust system fitted, and we'll show you what it sounds like at the end of the video. Fitted the Milltek exhaust system. You can see from the outside we've got these lovely Cerakote black tips with the Milltek logos on there. So let's have a little listen, let's see what it sounded like before, and then after, let us know what you think. If you want your TTRS to sound exactly like this, then head to the description where you can find a direct link to our shop, or head to shop.regalautosport.com and then search this part number that's coming up now. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.